How you doing? This is Dr. Medical reduction technique workshop information. I offer workshop. I can bring finger, elbow, shoulder, and then a hip dislocation later. I can do the workshop. So it lasts about an hour. 30 minutes PowerPoint presentation, 30 minutes hands-on practice. That's it. So, if you're gonna do during the day, it would be great. I can take early flight. I'm in San Antonio, Texas at this moment, and I can, come in and then we can do the workshop during the day, and then I can go home just one day. If you're gonna do the workshop in the morning, they have to fly in the morning, the day before, and then we do workshop, and then after the workshop, I go home. Okay, so the cap is 25 people per session. PowerPoint presentation I can do for 200 people, but hands-on, you can't have that many people. So 25 is the cap. Okay, you're gonna have another session. Okay, bring another group. That might be a good idea. Okay, $1,000 for shoulder, finger, elbow, shoulder model only workshop. Hip model is heavy and they cost extra to bring. So it costs $1,500 for 25 people. Okay. If you're interested, send me an email, then we can talk about the dates. So, thank you.